color-coated aluminum coil and foil. Color-coated aluminum coil is coated from aluminum coil, including FEVE, fluoroethylene vinyl ether, PVDF, fluorine carbon, HDPE, high-density polyethylene, PE, polyester, color-coated aluminum coil. The weight of color-coated aluminum coil is the lightest in metal materials. Its performance is very stable, not easy to be corrosion, and durability can reach 30 years by special treatment of surface. It is becoming the most popular building decoration materials. Color-coated aluminum coil is widely used in aluminum composite panel, roofing system, aluminum honeycomb panel, advertising sign panel, gutter system, home appliances board, ceiling system, and other areas.